Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting video. June is a very special month in many countries. It brings bright sunshine, longer days, warm weather, and lots of seasonal fruits. But for fruit lovers, June is famous for one thing more than anything else: mango season. Mangoes are often called the king of fruits because of their amazing taste, sweet smell, and juicy texture. Every year, millions of people wait for mango season to enjoy their favorite varieties. And today is a lucky day for me because I have received a beautiful gift parcel box full of fresh mangoes. The box looked neat, fresh, and carefully packed. Just seeing it made me smile because opening a mango gift box always feels like opening a treasure chest. I cannot wait to see what's inside. Will the mangoes be perfectly ripe? How sweet will they be? And which varieties are waiting for us? Let's open this special gift box together and find out. Wow, the first variety I can see is the famous Sindhri mango. Just look at these beautiful mangoes. Sindhri mangoes are known for their large size, golden yellow color, and wonderful aroma. They are one of the earliest mango varieties available during the mango season. When you hold a Sindhri mango in your hand, you can immediately notice its smooth skin and attractive shape. And once you cut it open, the real magic begins. The flesh is soft, juicy, and almost fiber free. Every bite feels rich, sweet, and refreshing. This is one reason why Sindhuri mangoes are loved not only in Pakistan but also in many countries around the world. But Sindhuri mangoes are not only delicious, they also offer many health benefits. First, they are rich in vitamin C, which helps support the immune system and keeps the body strong. Second, they contain vitamin A, which is important for healthy eyesight and skin. Third, mangoes contain antioxidants. These natural compounds help protect the body's cells from damage. Sindhuri mangoes also provide dietary fiber, which supports healthy digestion and helps the stomach work properly. Another great benefit is hydration. Because mangoes contain a lot of water, they can help you feel refreshed during hot summer days. And let's be honest, there is something special about taking a bite of a chilled scenery mango on a hot June afternoon. Sweet, juicy, refreshing, and full of flavor. No wonder so many people wait all year for Sindhri season. Now let's move to the second star of today's gift box, the legendary Anwar Ratol mango. As soon as I opened this section of the box, a strong sweet fragrance filled the air. Anwar Ratol mangoes are usually smaller than Sindhri mangoes, but what they lack in size, they make up for in taste. Many mango lovers believe that Anwar Ratol is one of the sweetest mango varieties in the world. Just look at its beautiful color and shape. The skin is attractive, and inside there is soft, juicy flesh packed with rich sweetness. One bite, and you immediately understand why this mango has such a strong fan following. The flavor is intense, creamy, and incredibly satisfying. But Anwar Ratol is not only famous for taste, it also provides several important health benefits. Like other mangoes, it is rich in vitamin C, which supports immunity and overall wellness. It contains vitamin A, which helps maintain healthy vision and skin. Anwar Ratol mangoes also contain natural sugars that provides quick energy. That's why many people enjoy them as a healthy summer snack. The antioxidants found in mangoes help support overall health and may help reduce the effects of oxidative stress on the body. The fiber content supports digestion and helps keep the digestive system functioning properly. Another wonderful thing about Anwar Atoll mangoes is their aroma. Even before tasting them, their sweet fragrance creates excitement and makes you want another bite. Small in size, huge in flavor. That's a perfect way to describe Anwar Atoll mangoes. No wonder they are considered one of the most loved mango varieties every mango season. So today we explored two amazing mango varieties, Sindhri and Anwar Atoll. Sindhri impressed us with its large size, juicy texture, beautiful golden color, and refreshing sweetness. Anwar Atoll amazed us with its rich aroma, creamy texture, and intense sweet flavor. Both varieties have their own unique qualities. Which mango is your favorite, Sindhri or Anwar Atoll? Tell me in the comments below. If you enjoyed this mango unboxing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next delicious adventure.